My name is Hussain Javed and you are watching my channel Education Vessel. We are talking about trigonometry. Today we have a new topic of trigonometry. Here we have angles. Here two angles are given, positive angle and negative angle. These two angles are given in the unit radian, okay? And we have to identify that between which quadrantal angles these angles lie. We have to write our answer in the radian. Okay, here is the coordinate plane, and if you go in the anti-clockwise direction you will get quadrantal angles, positive quadrantal angles. Here is 0 degree, then 90 degree, then here is 180 degree, here is 270 degree, and here is 360 degree. And I wrote the angles in the radian as well. Here 0 degree is also known as 0 radian, and 90 degree is pi by 2 radian, and 180 degree is pi radian, and 270 is 3 pi by 2 radian, and 360 is 2 pi radian. Okay, first of all I'm going to convert it into degree, then you can identify easily. Okay, if you want to convert it into degree, simply multiply it with 180 degree by pi cancel with pi cancel with pi, and now you have to multiply 7 with 180 degree and then divide by 6, then you will get 210 degree. Okay, 210 degree. Okay, here is 210 degree. We will get 210 degree. Okay, now we have to identify where is 210 degree. Okay, if you look at here, it is in the third quadrant between 180 and 270. Okay, we have to write in the form of radian. Okay, it means that it lies between pi and 3 pi by 2, and we will write 7 pi by 6 lies between pi and 3 pi by 2. Now look at the second question. This is a negative angle, minus 5 pi by 3 radian. Okay, this is radian. This is also a radian given in the radian. Okay, first of all you have to convert it into degree. For that you have to multiply it with 180 degree by pi cancel with pi. Now multiply minus 5 multiply by 180 degree and then divide by 3, then you will get minus 300. Okay, we know that minus 300 degree lies between minus 270 and minus 360. Okay, now we know that minus 270 is we will write minus pi over 3 lies between minus 270. Minus 270 is minus 3 pi by 2 in radian. Okay, and 360 degrees, and 360 is minus 360 is minus 2 pi. It means minus pi by 3 lies between minus 270 and minus 360. Okay, in this lecture I discussed about the quadrantal angles between which quadrantal angles these angles lie. Today lecture is over. If you have any question, please write in the comment section below or send me an email. My email ID is mentioned in the description. If you like the video, subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon for more videos.